Hey everybody, how's it going, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a guess what's in the box video on this medium-sized box that I got today. Today is April 13th, 2022. It's a Wednesday. I've been waiting for this since July 12th of 2021. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, like I said in the intro today, or the beginning intro section of the video, today is April 13th, it's a Wednesday, 2022. I purchased this from Car ID back in July. It was July, like, 10th or 12th, something like that. I was supposed to get it in August. I kept getting emails and kept getting contacted by Car ID stating that the expected delayed date has changed, blah blah blah. Now it's here. I'll give you guys a couple hints before I measure the box. These are brake lights, or brake light housings, Euro style brake light housings. The question is, for what vehicles? If you guys remember any of the vehicle or any of the videos back then, you would know that I purchased a 2000 limited 4x4 Toyota 4Runner back then. Is it for that 4Runner? Is it for Beast, which is a 97? Is it for the Ford Excursion? Is it replacements for Sky, which is a 2000 SR5? I'm sure you guys can figure out what they're for, but question is what brand are they? That might be another guess that you guys can do. If you guys can guess the brand and the vehicle, vehicle name, I should say. So we have Sky, Beast, Rose, and Iron Horse. Those are the 4 vehicles that are in the front. So this box measures 7 3/4 inches wide by 11 7/8 inches long by 11 1/4 inch. So 11 inches and 1/4 of an inch tall. I also have the 40 volt XGT Makita here. We're going to be using this quite a bit for my wife's projects, as well as a couple of my own projects. Show you guys XGT 40 volt. It is technically 40 volt nominal, 36 volt actual. So 36 volt. So 36 volt actual would be during use. 40 volt nominal is, when it's steady, it's not being used. So the only difference between the XGT line of 40 volt and the 18 volt LXT line is that the 36 volt tools on the LXT line take 2 18 volt batteries, which makes it nominal 36 volts. And this one takes 1 battery for 36 volt on a single tool. They do have an 80 volt line. That line would be just like the 18 volt dual battery line. That one's 36 volt, and then that one would be 80 volt. So 80 volt, it would be 76 volt technically. So took the measurements of the box. It's not a massive box. It's actually pretty small. It's more rectangle than anything else. But that is all I got for this video. Hopefully you guys will maybe elevator didn't go the way up. I just can't talk today, guys. Hopefully, the hints are helpful. I'm trying to give way better hints. Maybe kind of give hints that are almost identical to what it is. Just not give you everything, you know, instead of you guys guessing, like, you know, off the top of your head, like I think I was doing before. I'm trying to give actual hints that are useful and helpful for you guys. I kind of like doing these. They're fun for me. They take a few minutes. It allows me to get a video out, an extra video out for you guys. And I always post the unboxing and what the item is on the very next video. So, you know, these videos come out one day, the very next day you get to see what it is. I don't usually leave them like months on end making you guys wonder, but I think they're fun. You know, some of you guys on the channel think they're fun too. Some of you guys hate them. You know, I totally understand. To me, they're fun. They're not necessarily liked by the viewers or anything like that. But, you know, some of the viewers do, but most of them don't watch them, and it's okay. It's no big deal if you don't watch it. I do appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the video. I did do a little updating in the drawer, in the battery drawer. So, 18-volt Makitas are all in the back. So, all of these white ones right here, all the way to right there, are all Makitas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have an 8th one around here too. This one right here is a Makita 40 volt. And they are identical. You know, these are maybe, I don't know, 1/16 of an inch longer. They're not much bigger at all. My Metabo HPTs, I have my 8 amp, my 2.5 amps here, which I have a bunch of those, 4 of those. And then I'm looking for another place to put all these Ryobi batteries. I don't use the Ryobi tools very much. My wife doesn't use them very often either. The other 40-volt battery goes right here. So I did do a little bit of rearranging in the drawer. You know, I do have some 8 amp hour Milwaukee batteries starting to die. Here's 2 larger 4 amp hour Ryobi batteries up there. You know, just need to rearrange stuff. I put a couple of the 40-volt Makita tools in here. So, here's the new 40-volt XGT hammer drill right here. Here's the 18-volt hammer drill. Here's the 18-volt XAG26 X-Lock grinder. I got some DeWalt tools in here. Got some Metabo 36-volt and 18-volt tools in here. So, just give you guys a couple little updates. I do appreciate you all all stopping by the channel, as always, checking it out. This is actually prepared for this guy. In the next video, we are going to be installing this on camera. So, hopefully you guys look forward to that. Appreciate you guys watching as always. Please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I will provide links to this if you guys want to check this impact driver out. I got the combo kit, but I will provide the impact driver kit as well by itself, or as well as the hammer drill by itself, just the hammer drill and some batteries, as well as the combo kit if you guys want to check them out. I'll post those links for Acme Tools down below. You guys have an awesome, awesome rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!